Hey everyone, welcome to MarketClick's YouTube channel. Today, we will learn how to use Microsoft Power Query. That said, if these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon to get notified. Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, MarketClick has your back. Just for a quick info, if you want to upskill yourself, master data science and data analytics skills and land your dream job or grow a new career, then you must explore MarketClick's cohort of various data science and data analytics programs. MarketClick offers various certification and post-graduation programs in collaboration with some of the world-leading universities like Caltech, Purdue, TIT Campus, and many more. Through our courses, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like advanced Excel, Python, machine learning, data visualization, generative AI, and over a dozen others. That's not all. You also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from industry experts working in top-tier data and product companies, and also academicians from top universities. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into a data science or data analytics role as a fresher, or moved on to a higher-paying job profile. If you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comment and description box below to find the data analytics program that fits your experience, and it is of interest. Now, without further delay, let's get started with the topic, which is how to use Microsoft Power Query. Imagine you have a lot of data. It can be an Excel file, it can be a PDF, SQL database, cloud, or anything. If it is data, it's your data, right? So you have a lot of data. Now, you have this source of the data. After that, I'm absolutely sure that the data is not clean enough to perform some analysis. You go through another step where you have to clean your data from unwanted rows and columns, which doesn't make sense or might have some invalid data. You need to make sure that your data is completely accurate and has some standards for your analysis. That's the next step, which is clean and transform. After the clean and transform step, you have the next step, which is load that particular data to your platform. It could be Excel. It could be some data visualization tool like Tableau, Power BI, etc. After that, you generate some meaningful information of that. You create some pivot tables, pivot charts, and line graphs, etc. Which makes sense out of that data. You'll understand what exactly is happening with your business. How many leads or how many traffic orders, which is the best performing product, which is the worst performing product. And you need to take some decisions on your business, which can make some impact on your overall profit or revenue. Imagine if you want to do this for a year. If you get 1 year's data and you do it in a day or two, it's fine. And if it's on a monthly basis, you get month-on data and you want to do it, okay? It could not be worth. You can spend 1 or 2 days and it's fine. But what if it's week on week? You start to think, right? What if it's a daily task? It's a mundane task, right? You have to do all these steps, step by step, repetitive, and it doesn't make you interested anymore in that particular type of job. And the major point of this is you end up spending more time on cleaning the data, transforming, loading it. And the worst part, you don't get proper time, specific time, which you want to actually dedicate to plan out something and bring up strategies to improve your business. So what if you could automate this? What if there is someone who could perform all these steps for you in the way you want, and you can actually have some time to produce some pivot tables, pivot charts, and then understand what exactly is happening with your business, and find out some critical points where you can improvise and bring up some good revenue? What if there was someone who can perform all these steps for you, clean your data, transform it the way you want, load it to your platform, and help you create your pivot charts and pivot tables, and actually save you a lot of time where you can spend all that time understanding ways to bring out some good revenue? That exact someone who can do all these steps for you and automate your data cleaning, data transformation, and loading tasks for you is exactly the Microsoft Power Query. So you can use Microsoft Power Query either in Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Power BI. Now let's generate some data. So this data will be generated using ChatGPT, and we will not generate data, which is not small, like for a week-on-week analysis or a day-by-day analysis. We will create data for years. So we will take 5 consecutive years, starting from 2020 to 2024, and we will have some data generated using chat, and we will automate that data and try to get some analysis done. Let's jump onto chat. Before we go to chat, I have a prompt written here. This particular prompt will guide or explain chat what exactly you want. You're giving some, like the Excel data right over here. We have order date, order ID, ship mode, and customer name, customer ID, everything. We have the sales quantity, discount, profit, etc., In the same format or a similar format, if not the same format, we are explaining Chatch that we need these columns, the order ID, order date, delivery date, etc. We want all these files in a downloadable Excel file links. You can also specify this column should have certain things, and this column can have certain things. We will copy this prompt and head back to Chat, and you can just paste the prompt and hit enter. There you go. Now your request has been analyzed, and shortly, you should be receiving some downloadable Excel files or some recommendations from Chatpack. I've already performed this process and we have already downloaded some data. There you go, you have the data from 2020 to 2020 to 24. You can just click on this to download the file. I've already done this job and I've downloaded the files. Those files are exactly in my downloads here. So if you go to downloads, here we have orders data for 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2023, and 2024. So this orders data has just one file, which is orders 2020. So first, we will specify the source of the data, then we will perform the data cleaning and transformation process. Then we load this particular Excel 2020 data into Excel, and then we load this Excel data into the visualization tool. We'll use Excel for this, and then generate some pivot tables and pivot charts. We will only do this for one file, which is 2020, right? Now, what's the surprising part, is this particular file will also get data continuously for the next year, 2021, for the next year, 2022, for the next year, 2022, for the next year, 2023, and the current year, 2024. When we just copy-paste or copy-paste these files into this particular folder, the same transformation steps, the same data cleaning steps, and the same data the loading steps, and also including the analysis, will be done for you in the Excel pivot table. The process has been just automated. You can see that happening. For that, let's open a new Excel file. I have the Excel folder right over here. A new blank Excel workbook will be opened. If you go to Data, here you have Get Data. As we said, it can be a file. It can be an Excel file, XM, JSON, PDF. It can be from cloud. It can be from a SQL database. Any other source. If it's data, you can work from it. We will give a file here. We will give a file here, select File and go to the last option which reads as from folder. Go to Downloads and select that Otis data. Yeah, go to Downloads and select that Otis data. Remember, this particular folder should have only one file according to us, which is 2020 data, the first year's data. Select the folder and open. And this should include the data of only one file, which is orders 2020. If you have multiple files, you can either combine, transform, and load. If you have just one file, you can just go with the transformation option over here, or you can load if you are comfortable with.